All right, so here we go. We'll just take it off the fire for a few minutes. There we go. See, these are my
oven mitts.
oven mitts. Isn't that great? I'm learning all the things you can do with fleece. Oh, this is interesting. You can take a photo of it. But I don't know where those photos show up. Anyway. So that was good to show you, eh? Okay, well this was supposed to be part of the last one, but it didn't make it. My finger touched it when I was handing it to Mary Jane. So this is, that dinner that you just saw is onion tops, potatoes, spicy peppery cashews. You get them that way from the health food store in bulk. And jalapeno corn. Ta-da! And coconut oil. Is that everything? Oh, and then oxymel juice, because we didn't have any water. I mean, we could have taken the water from the stream. I usually drink the water.
Or snow.
Well, snow doesn't taste as good as the water from the stream. Anyway, so I think it's going to keep cooking like that, because it's a Dutch oven. It holds the heat well for a long time. And if we take it out, or we put it on the fire, I think the bottom of the fire is too hot. But you see, I didn't put it on the snow, I put it on the board. So I thought the board would be warmer than either the, anyway, it's beside the fire. You can see how it's heating up the board beside it. You can see the steam coming off the board. I love the snow. Isn't that the coolest route? I call that the headboard route, because when you're right beside it, it looks like it would make the most incredible headboard.
As long as you didn't get your head stuck on it.
There's all kinds of shapes in it.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like
It
there's
looks amazing with the snow on it, eh?
Yeah, it looks like there's a head of a person, and there's their body and their bum, and there's their knee and their foot, and they're just sitting in there, holding on to this branch up here.
Yeah, they got their legs crossed.
What else do you see in there?
I don't know, I got my glasses on, so I can't really...
Oh, okay.
I can't look to see. I have no glasses to look far. One of my eyes is nearsighted, the other one is farsighted. Interesting.
Yeah.
I used to have 20/20 vision, but my vision has really gone down.
I like that that arch there. I gotta go zoom enough you can see the snow on it. Isn't that pretty? Like that's the inside, the side of it when you're inside. Isn't that nice? The deer find all the closest places. They could just be behind that, which is also dense. But I guess, behind these, look at this clump of trees. But behind them is another clump. It's over here in the photo. But it's over there when I'm looking. But anyway, if you look into that, you see that that's a lot of greenery back there. It's all got snow on it now. So that's a nice dense place for them too. But it was so close, like that they were in this place. I mean, it was like 10 feet to the edge, to the inside edge, 10 feet to that path, 10 feet to this spot right there. So we got 10, 20, 30, and then 40 across the stream and 50 to us. So about 50 feet, maybe 60. And then there was another place where we could see through. Let's see where it is. So this big one like that. And then there's this hump there. And right through there, let me zoom in on that. Right through there,
You walked past them.
that's, you're seeing into the distance. And I think, so this is the tree that I'm looking at. And then this whole area beside it, like you could see their long legs. That you can see a long way through that hole. But we could see them walking past. So I made it into a short video, you know, I just chopped that one part. And in here, you know, when you could see them, you could see this log going across that way. And then this other thing here, well, all that is looking way deep into there. And he was just sitting there with his, no, was he there? Was he? No, he was between here. And you could see through. I think that's right. Yeah, right between there is where I would see his head. But I could move over more and see it before. But I also was seeing it through here. When he came back the second time, I could see both of his ears here. Anyway, that's all I can put on this video because I've got to upload it. So ta-ta, we'll tell you how dinner turned out.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.